Hello, how are you? Yeah, the pandemic is there and this mask is going to stay. So, a lot of people are coming up with this new problem for skin, and it is called maskne. Yes, it is acne that is happening here in this area where your mask is covering. Now, maskne, as we call it, the new name that is there, and a lot of new names have been derived during this pandemic over the last 1 year. So, maskne is acne due to your mask. So, there are basically two categories of maskne. One is for oily skin, and one is for dry skin. So, I'll take up one at a time. The first one, why do we get maskne on oily skin? Basically, when we are wearing a mask, we are talking, we are breathing, everything is happening inside of the mask. So basically, when I'm holding this and I'm talking to you, it's happening inside the mask. So all our pores are getting clogged, right? So because of that, the oil secretion increases, and because this area is warmer, if you touch your skin after you've worn a mask for a long period of time, you will find that this area is a little warmer than the other parts of your face. So what happens is that is when you start getting these acnes. And how to go about it, how do we stop these masknes from happening? So one is, please do not wear any makeup here, do not clog your pores, do not dump your skin with a lot of products. So the basic, your moisturizer is what is good enough for your skin, because anyway this portion nobody is going to see, so that portion is going to remain under your mask. So keep it clean. Try and wash your face more often. And uh, yes, a question that is asked, do I wear sunscreen, do I not wear sunscreen? Of course you will wear your sunscreen. So if you're used to wearing heavy moisturizer, please scale it down to a lighter moisturizer. If you're already oily skinned, please do not use a moisturizer, use a gel based moisturizer that gets absorbed into your skin, and of course then a gel based sunscreen. If you are very dry skin, then again you use a lighter, because whatever you are doing, you see, because of the heat that we are generating in this area, the acne are happening. So that was the first maskne for your oily skin. The next one is for dry skin. For dry skin, what happens is, when you're wearing this mask, what happens, these sides, they keep on brushing with your skin. Now when it brushes with your skin, and as it is your dry skin, you tend to get here and here, you tend to get bumps which look like acne. So basically, again, how do you, so for that you deal with a completely different way. You keep to your basic routine of wearing a lightweight moisturizer according to your skin type. So I'm talking about dry skin, so you will be wearing a lightweight moisturizer for dry skin, and on top of that you will wear a sunscreen, which is again a lightweight sunscreen. After that, what you need to do is, how do you treat these acne? For oily skin acne, which are happening especially in this area, you will treat it with so first you have to start double cleansing, yes, so that your face is like squeaky clean, and all the dirt and all the clogged pores keep coming out. Try exfoliating. Don't try physical exfoliators, try chemical exfoliators, your AHAs and BHAs, glycolic acid and salicylic acid peels. They are all readily available in the market. For and you can do spot treatment on your pimple. So that is for your maskne for oily skin. And for dry skin, how do you treat the bumps that is there? So for that, you have to use an occlusive material which is thick. So you can use something very simple like a Vaseline, right? So if you put Vaseline at night after you've done your night routine, but don't forget, you too have to do a double cleanse, and after you've put in your done your night routine, after you have put in your night mask, that is the last thing that goes on the face at night. After you've done that, you put an occlusive thing like a Vaseline on top of that, and you go to bed. So yes, that is how you get to treat maskne. The most important thing that we need to know about maskne is the way to stay clear of maskne is have your skin clean. Don't wear makeup. Have a good skin so that you can just do a little bit of eye makeup, and that is all that is required, because the rest of it is behind this mask. So wear your hair properly, wear your eyes properly, and keep your face clean. Don't try and go in for foundations, don't try and go in for tinted foundations or anything heavy on your skin. That will help you stay clear of maskne. So I hope I have answered some questions that came to me on my personal DM, and please do take care of yourself during these hard times, and have a very nice day. Thank you very much.